Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to DoK Community Explorer program. So today we are going to discuss about the topic streaming. We are going to discuss about streaming, data streaming, streaming technologies. So let's go. So before going to the topic about me, so my name is Sajjan Yadav, and I'm currently in my freshman year, and I'm a tech lover and a passionate learner, currently exploring the field of DevOps, and I am part of DoK Community Explorer program. So what is streaming? So streaming refers to the delivery of audio, video, and multimedia content over internet. Unlike traditional methods where we need to download the whole video, then only we are able to watch it. No, even if the small part of your video is downloaded, you are good to go and watch it. So what are different type of streamings? So we have video streaming, audio streaming, data streaming, gaming streaming, live streaming, and many other different type of streaming, right? But our focus is data streaming. So let's move. Where is streaming used? Everywhere. You are watching videos, you are playing games, you are messaging someone, you are booking a ride. Everywhere you are using streaming, concept of streaming. So what are streaming workloads? So streaming workload refers to the services and uh, technologies, applications that handle large amount of real-time data being sent and received as stream. So means these workloads are typically used in situations where low latency and high throughput communication is required. Low latency means the time difference between data sent and data received should be very small. High throughput communication means the path chosen to send the data should be as small as possible. So moving ahead, how do Kubernetes come into picture? So Kubernetes does not directly solve the problem of streaming. It provides a platform for deploying and managing of tools and technologies that do so. Just like we have streaming technologies which do these things. So before talking about these technologies, we need to discuss the challenges of processing streaming data, right? We have data velocity. Maybe the data is coming with very high velocity, which makes it difficult to analyze at real time. We have data volume. Maybe the data volume is very huge, and it is very difficult to handle that much huge data. One need to scale our system according to need. Maybe we need allocate more resources, but are using less. Then there is a wastage of resources. We need to take care of that. In terms of latency, we have just talked about that we need low latency communication, then it makes a problem. And security and privacy, maybe the data streaming, how can we show that the data is secure? So these are the problems. So where comes the popular streaming technologies which solve these problems, right? Which provides a platform for streaming. So we have different popular streaming technologies such as Apache Kafka, Apache Flink, Apache Pulsar. We have Red Panda, RabbitMQ, and so many other technologies, right? So, is there any physical use of these technologies? Yes. So, Apache Kafka and Apache Pulsar are building blocks of real-time data stream platforms, right? These platforms are using it live. Kafka is used as a building block of LinkedIn, Uber, Netflix, and you can see the for Pulsar same. Uber is using for booking tickets, tracking live their drivers, right? So moving ahead, what are the best practices of running streaming workloads? So resource management, right? We need to allocate uh, like CPU, memory, and storage effectively to ensure that the containers running the streaming workloads have enough resources to run efficiently, right? Networking, we need a network which is optimized for low latency, high throughput communication we just talked about. Scalability, we need to implement auto scaling so as to ensure there is no wastage of resources. Data persistence, we need to have a backup because without backup, if there is a failure occur, we are done. We need something, right? Security, we need to implement segmentation, encryption, and access control, like these things to ensure security. So is there any future of streaming and streaming technologies and platforms? Yes, we have. So in terms of edge computing, 5G networks, AI, ML, cloud native, multi-cloud, and hybrid cloud, right? 5G networks, which provides a very high speed network for low latency, high throughput communication. AI/ML, we are using it in live uh, in cases such as predictive maintenance, fraud detection, real-time personalization in streaming platforms. We can use it. In terms of cloud native architecture and containerized applications provide scalable and flexible infrastructure, right? So we are is there any stats for it? Whatever I said, yes. DoKC 2022 research reports, which clearly states that streaming and messaging workloads are being running on Kubernetes, and they are 39% of them, total respondents, right? So this is the proof. So if you want to talk more about, join our streaming channel in the DoKC Slack, and don't forget to read the DoKC 2020 research report. Thanks for joining today and have a nice day.